Hey y'all, me and Shane are headed to Bryce Canyon National Park. It's 2 hours from where we were staying in Tokerville, Utah. We are on the Scenic Byway 12, All-American Road. We'll take y'all along. Hey. $35 today. Okay.
So this receipt's good for 7 days here at Bryce Canyon.
Okay, thank you. We made it to Bryce, guys. We're gonna go do a couple trails. Let's go. We just rode down Bryce Canyon Road, 18 miles out to the top. We're at Rainbow Point. We'll show you guys all of the stops along the way. Let's go check it out. So we're starting at the Queen's Garden Trail, and then we're going to connect to the Navajo Loop. Total, those two will make a 3-mile hike for us today. This is one of the more popular trails, and it's the most recommended if you only have one hike to do here in Bryce. So this park is really busy. Today's Thursday. We went to Zion on a Monday, and this park is a lot more busy, I'm guessing because it's Thursday, so I can't imagine Friday, Saturday, Sunday here. It's going to be nuts. That was a really cool snake we found back there. But we started at Sunrise Point and we're hiking up to Sunset Point. We're on the Navajo Loop now. Nice little lunch spot, eating some peanut butter sandwiches. So we just did all the way from this sunrise point, from right there, all through here, through the garden and then the Navajo loop, all the way to the sunset point over here. Or, yeah, sunset point. So with the elevation change, our chip bag was gonna explode.